What you gonna do, Mark?
We're gonna take the snake to the snake man.
All
Make
right.
some beer money.
You stock up on some more beer, huh?
Yes, sir. All right, you're gonna be the first one. You're pissing me off. See it now.
One.
That's one. Here's the one I'm worried about.
Got one more.
I've had her for about a week and a half.
Yeah, she's not doing nothing.
She's skinny. But feisty.
She's still okay.
Let me grab her good.
Check with the can.
She's a little thin. She'll be alright. Alright. I'm hoping that's about $81. Add to my $600 I've already made this month. So, let's go see the snake man.